Present continuous. We have form. Example: positive form. Don't make so much noise. I'm studying English. They're going to school. They're reading the book. Excuse me. I'm looking for my wallet. Do you know where is it? John and Mary are marrying next year. Negative form. Example: I'm not working today. I'm on holiday. John is not listening to the teacher. He is thinking of his girlfriend. My niece is not doing her homework. He is not smoking cigarettes. Question form. Example: why are you looking at me like that? What am I doing tonight? Is David building his own house? Why am I working very hard? Is your English getting better? First definition. The present simple is used to express or activity happening now or at the moment of speaking. Example: my children are playing football in the garden. Let's go out now. It isn't raining now. What are they thinking about? They look happy. I'm watching my favorite program. Second definition. The present continuous is used to express an activity happening around now, but perhaps not at the moment of speaking. She is studying mathematics at university. The number of people without jobs is increasing now. I'm reading a good book by Henry James. I'm working hard these days because I want to have enough money to marry. We're talking an English grammar evening course this year. take the book to the library. Jane is reading it. We have some lovely neighbors. We're making friends with them. The third definition. The present simple is used to express a planned future arrangement. Example: I'm having lunch with Brian tomorrow. What time are you meeting him? What are you doing tonight? We're playing tennis this afternoon. What are you doing at the weekend? They are playing football tomorrow. We are going to visit grandparents this evening.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, do, do.